Psychology is the brain trying to comprehend itself. The average 4-year-old child asks over 400 questions a day. A TI-83 calculator has 6 times more processing power than the computer that landed Apollo 11 on the moon. Humans shed 40 pounds of skin in their lifetime, completely replacing their outer skin every month. More than 2,500 left-handed people are killed every year from using equipment meant for right-handed people. The average adult human has 2 to 9 pounds of bacteria in his or her body. Starfish can regrow their arms. In fact, a single arm can regenerate a whole body. The total weight of all the ants on Earth is greater than total weight of all the humans on the planet. If the human brain were a computer, it could perform 38,000 trillion operations per second. The world's most powerful supercomputer, BlueGene, can manage only 0.02% of that.